That's a great question. What versus which? How do we decide whether to use what or which? What and which can be several parts of speech, but they're usually used as adjectives or pronouns. Many of you might be surprised that I said adjective. You might be thinking, what does he mean, adjective? And that's because you might use the word determiner for what I refer to as an adjective. So just to be clear, a determiner is a kind of an adjective like the definite article the when you use it before a noun. So in the car, the is actually an adjective modifying car. So if you say this car or that car, this and that are actually adjectives modifying car. The reason for the confusion is because British books and dictionaries usually refer to these words as determiners, and American grammar books and dictionaries usually refer to these words as adjectives. I'm not sure if British grammar books ever actually explain that a determiner is a kind of an adjective. So American grammar books teach you that we have descriptive adjectives like red and happy, and that other adjectives like this and that and few and many are called determiners. But Americans seldom use the word determiner, and most American grammar books and our main dictionary, Merriam-Webster's, refer to these words usually as adjectives. Anyway, what and which are both adjectives when they come before a noun. For example, in what tie should I wear or which tie should I wear, these words are adjectives. And in most other uses, these words are considered pronouns. So here's the difference. Here's how you can tell which one to use. We use the word what when there's a general or maybe unlimited range of items, and we use the word which when there's a restricted range of items. So if I said what minerals do we use in this formula, I'd be using what because I'm referring to a general or almost unlimited range of minerals. If I said what's your favorite color, I'd be using what because I'm referring to all the colors that exist, not a limited selection of colors. Let's say you were buying a new iPhone or an Android and there were only two colors, yellow and blue. I'd say, which one do you want? And I'd be saying which because it's a small choice from a small range of things. Sometimes these words will be interchangeable and other times they won't. To put it into perspective, what is very general. We might say, what did he say? Or what kind of person is he? Or what's going on? We wouldn't say which did he say, or which kind of a person is he, or which is going on. Actually, we might say which kind of person is he if we were choosing from a limited range of kinds of people. But when I said what kind of person is he, it's obvious that I was talking about a broad range or an unlimited range. And which also has other uses. For example, we use which in conjunction with that when we're discussing non-restrictive and restrictive relative pronouns. But anyway, that's another topic for another day because it has nothing to do with the word what. So if this helped you understand the difference between what and which, let me know in the comment section.